Hello everyone, welcome to another video. We all know I'm a huge lover of colour in a custom built PC through RGB, custom cables or extensions, or even custom colours applied to a case. When Thermaltake announced their lineup of coloured hardware at CES 2021, I was absolutely blown away and had to get my hands on some of the stuff as soon as I could. The first item sent to us by Thermaltake to take a look at is this, the Core P6 Turquoise Edition. The Core P series cases are probably the most popular and well-known cases by Thermaltake. However, seeing it eventually in person confirmed exactly why. Not only does it look jaw-dropping stood up, either in a closed frame mode or open, wall-mounted or not, the Core P6 is a spectacle. It's a conversation starter. The Core P6 with its DMD dismantleable modular design allows you easy access to easily disassemble your housing with its modular structure except from the scaffolding, and allows you to install elements whenever or however you need it. The Core P6 features modular panels, racks, brackets and pre-configured mounting arrangements and can be converted into an open frame housing by simply removing the front and upper panels and plastics. The Core P6 is equipped with three 4mm tempered glass panels to give you a panoramic view of your system. The Core P6 can be transformed almost effortlessly into an open or closed style form with only a Phillips head screwdriver and the removal of around 18 screws. Another awesome modular feature of the P6 are the vertical and horizontal GPU mounting system. That can be swapped easily by the removal of 5 screws and the rotation of the GPU I/O support to help aid bigger and heavier cards. The case comes with a PSU vertical mounting system for the PCIe riser cable, not included, to help support the weight of those larger cards. The Core P6 has excellent expandability which helps users build a complete thermal solution. It can support up to CEB motherboards, a CPU cooler with a maximum height of 180mm, two-way VGA placements of up to 458mm in length without the radiator, a power supply with a length of up to 200mm and up to 8 2.5-inch SSDs or 4 3.5 HDDs. When it comes to the cooling solutions, the Core P6 Turquoise Edition is optimized for air cooling and advanced AIO DIY liquid cooling components as well. For example, you can either house up to 13 120mm or 8 140mm fans in total. Additionally, the case can fit 360mm or 280mm radiators at the front, top and the right side of the motherboard. With remarkable hardware expansion and liquid cooling support, the Core P6 has almost endless possibilities for users to build their dream machine. For ease of use, the Core P6 front I/O houses 2 USB 3.0 ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports, and 1 USB 3.2 Gen 2 and Type-C ports. Please note the overall weight of the Core P6 is 17.84 kilograms, so don't forget to bend your knees when lifting this bad boy. As you may have guessed, this case is for the extreme high-end builds and does not come cheap at £248.94 here in the UK. However, there are other options you can look at that may have very similar features, bigger and smaller to check out, so please feel free to check out the link in the video description. So if you liked this video, hit like. If you loved it, subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you all in the next one.